Hi, so this recipe is a alternate to the regular papdi chaat that we have. So I'm here cutting the bread into small circles and deep frying them in the oil at medium flame. You need not cook the bread, we just have to make it crispy. So fry it for less than a minute. Once it turns golden brown, you can take it out. If you like to make a healthier version, you can toast them on a tawa instead of deep frying. I'm adding sugar to the curd and little water and mixing it. Since it's a chaat item, you can have whatever you like over this. So the bread is very crispy. I'm here using boiled potatoes, onion, cucumber, carrot and raw mango. I am adding homemade mint chutney, the momo chutney which was shown from the last video, the curd. You can add beetroot also if you have. So depending on your taste, you can add extra curd or extra chutney. Sprinkle in little save, pepper, jeera powder and chaat masala. Since I was craving for a papdi chaat and I didn't have papdis at home, I tried doing it with bread and it came out really good. Do try this and let us know how it turned out. If you want to know the recipe of mint chutney, please do comment. Thank you so much for watching.